Have you ever wondered if a machine could have the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a broad range of tasks? If yes, then you're already contemplating the concept of artificial general intelligence, or AGI for short. Imagine an intelligence that's not just limited to one specific task, but can perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. From writing a symphony to solving complex mathematical equations to understanding human emotions and responding accordingly. It's a fascinating concept that holds immense potential. This is not about creating machines that can merely mimic human intelligence, but rather creating a new form of intelligence that can learn, adapt, and evolve on its own. Over the next few minutes, we'll be delving deeper into this captivating subject, exploring its potential, its challenges, and its implications for our future. That's right, AGI could revolutionize the world as we know it. But what exactly is AGI and how does it differ from the AI we are familiar with? Let's start by breaking down the term AGI. AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. It's a type of artificial intelligence that's just as capable as a human being in terms of understanding, learning, adapting, and implementing knowledge. It's an AI that can comprehend or learn any intellectual task that a human being can do. Now, let's contrast this with what we call narrow AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is the type of artificial intelligence that we encounter in our day-to-day lives. It's the AI that powers our Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. It's the AI in our spam filters or our Netflix recommendations. Narrow AI is designed to do a specific task, and it does it well, but it can't venture beyond that task. It can't apply what it has learned to a new, unprogrammed situation. Artificial general intelligence, on the other hand, is designed to understand or learn from any intellectual task that a human being can. It's an AI that has the ability to transfer knowledge from one domain to another. For example, if an AGI was trained to play chess, it could apply the strategic thinking it learned to a completely different game, like poker, or even to completely different fields like stock market analysis or climate modeling. AGI's potential is vast because it's not limited to a single task. It can potentially outperform humans in most economically valuable work. It's like having a super intelligent, tireless, and totally unbiased colleague who can do any job you give it. From drafting legal documents to diagnosing diseases, from composing symphonies to predicting weather patterns. So, AGI is essentially an intelligent system capable of outperforming humans at most economically valuable work. The concept is exciting, but it also presents a lot of challenges and questions, which we'll discuss in the next scene. Now that we understand what AGI is, let's delve into its potential. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, promises to revolutionize industries and transform the way we live, work, and interact with the world. Imagine a world where AI can outperform humans in most economically valuable tasks. That's the potential of AGI. Let's consider the healthcare industry. With AGI, we could have AI doctors that can diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, far surpassing human capabilities. They could analyze a patient's entire medical history in seconds, taking into account millions of other case studies to provide the most accurate diagnosis and treatment plan. In the field of education, AGI could offer personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's unique learning style and pace. This could result in a significant increase in the overall effectiveness of education, potentially eradicating illiteracy and bridging the knowledge gap between different regions and socioeconomic classes. Beyond these specific industries, AGI has the potential to solve some of the most complex problems we face as a society. It could help us understand and tackle climate change by analyzing vast amounts of data and suggesting viable solutions. It could also aid in space exploration, deciphering the mysteries of the universe that are currently beyond our comprehension. But it's not just about outperforming humans in specific tasks. AGI could fundamentally change the way we approach problem solving. By thinking in ways that humans can't, AGI could come up with innovative solutions that we wouldn't even consider. Imagine a super intelligent assistant that could help you brainstorm ideas, make decisions, or even write a best-selling novel. Of course, we're still in the early days of AGI, and these are merely glimpses of what might be possible. The journey towards realizing the full potential of AGI will undoubtedly be filled with challenges and surprises. But one thing is for sure, the potential of AGI is enormous, and the impact it could have on our lives is truly exciting. The potential of AGI is truly limitless. It's like having a super intelligent assistant at your disposal. But developing AGI is no easy task. There are numerous challenges to overcome. The journey towards artificial general intelligence is indeed a steep climb, filled with technical and ethical hurdles. Firstly, there's the technical aspect. AGI requires massive amounts of data to learn and understand the world as a human would. While we are generating more data than ever before, the sheer volume needed for AGI is staggering. It's not just about having a lot of data, it's also about having the right kind of data. The data must be diverse, representative, and devoid of biases. And this is easier said than done. Then there's the complexity of the algorithms. Current AI technologies use algorithms that are designed for specific tasks, but AGI needs to be able to learn and adapt to any task, just like a human. This requires a whole new level of algorithmic sophistication. It's like trying to build a Swiss Army knife when all you've been making so far are butter knives. And let's not forget the computational power. To process all this data and run these complex algorithms, we need incredibly powerful computers. As of now, such computational power is costly and not easily accessible. Moving on from the technical challenges, there's the ethical side of things. The potential for misuse of AGI is a real concern. What if it falls into the wrong hands? What if it's used for harmful purposes? And then there's the question of control. How do we ensure that AGI, once developed, doesn't become too powerful for us to handle? Also, as AGI starts performing tasks that were once performed by humans, there's the issue of job displacement. How do we ensure a smooth transition and avoid widespread unemployment? Last, but certainly not least, is the challenge of regulation. How do we regulate something that's constantly evolving and learning? How do we ensure the laws keep up with the technology? The road to AGI is fraught with challenges, but the rewards could be monumental. This journey may be arduous, but it's a journey worth undertaking. After all, the potential benefits of AGI are too great to ignore. So, what does the future hold for AGI? As we venture into an era where the blend of technology and human intellect is becoming more seamless, the future of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, seems to be a tantalizing prospect. There's a whirlwind of research happening right now that's pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. From the hallowed halls of academia to the bustling labs of Silicon Valley, the quest for AGI is well and truly underway. In the coming years, we can anticipate some significant breakthroughs in this field. It's not just about creating machines that can perform tasks as well as a human. It's about creating machines that can understand, learn, and adapt in a way that's indistinguishable from human cognition. It's about creating a new form of intelligence that can contribute to society in profound and meaningful ways. And speaking of society, the implications of AGI are far-reaching. Imagine a world where AGI systems are integrated into our daily lives, helping us make decisions, solve complex problems, and even provide companionship. The possibilities are vast and varied, from revolutionizing healthcare to transforming the way we learn. On the economic front, the potential impact of AGI is equally colossal. Industries across the board could see radical shifts in productivity and efficiency. The way we work could be fundamentally changed as AGI systems take on tasks that were once the exclusive domain of humans. This could lead to unprecedented economic growth, but also pose challenges as we navigate the shift in labor dynamics. But as we stand on the precipice of this brave new world, it's important to remember that the journey to AGI is a path of discovery, fraught with unknowns. We're stepping into uncharted territory, and the road ahead is as exciting as it is uncertain. The future of AGI is uncertain, but one thing is for sure. It has the potential to change our world in unimaginable ways. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what AGI is to its potential and challenges. In a nutshell, artificial general intelligence, or AGI, is a type of artificial intelligence that possesses the cognitive capabilities of a human being. It's an AI that can understand, learn, and apply its knowledge to a wide variety of tasks, matching or even surpassing human intelligence. We've also delved into the immense potential of AGI, which could revolutionize industries, solve complex problems, and even address global issues. Yet we must not overlook the challenges it presents, such as ethical considerations and the risk of misuse. Looking forward, the future of AGI is both exciting and uncertain. It could transform our world in ways we can't yet fully comprehend. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, the question isn't if AGI will become a reality, but when. And when it does, it will redefine our understanding of intelligence.